Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Abby, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I get my hair like this, blow dried and stretched all under 40 minutes, and it's honestly so easy to do. It's a nice way to stretch your hair for a protective style. If you don't have time to do it heat-free with my thread-in video, this is it for you guys. And I mean, look at the volume. I just feel like my hair has grown since I last trimmed it. Let's just take a moment to take all this hair in, okay? But if you are interested in seeing how I get this look, how I get my hair stretched, stay tuned. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. As you guys can see, I just washed it and left it in the 4 sections. It's just easier to deal with. And I'm going to start unraveling one section and parting into 2, clipping one away. And then with that one section, I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I'll put the picture up here so you guys can use it. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner, just how moisturizing it is. And then I go in with the Gold Series buttercream. Honestly, I was just trying to get rid of it. As you guys can see, it kind of left like white specks. It just didn't blend well with the leave-in, but I was just using it, trying to get rid of it. Then we go in with the K-Lux Strengthening and Growth Hair Oil to just seal all that moisture in. And of course, because we are going to be blow drying our hair, we're going to go in with the Pantene Gold Series Heat Protectant or Heat Primer and spare our hair, because even though it's just blow drying, we want to make sure our hair is protected from the heat as much as possible. And then we will go in with our wide tooth comb and detangle our hair as much as possible. After detangle, I'm going to go in with my red blow dryer. You can find this at your local beauty supply store for like maybe $20, $25. It's not that expensive. And I'm going to start by doing the tension method by holding my hair taut and then using the blow dryer to go over it a couple of times just to stretch it out and dry the hair a bit before I actually go in with blow drying or like combing through it. And as you can see, I will start from my end and then, work my way up to the root. Thankfully, with me blow drying my hair, as you guys can see, it kind of took the white specks that, the buttercream left in my hair, but you're just going to keep going through it till you've kind of got the desired dryness you want, meaning like the length, because you can keep blow drying to get it like almost straight. But for me, as long as it feels dry and my scalp is like dry a bit, I'm good. Then I'm gonna twist my hair away and move on to the next section of my hair and repeat the same steps. Once I finish blow drying one of the sections, I'm going to unravel the other one and then blow dry them together just so that I can make sure my scalp, like, it's blow dried and straightened as much as possible. And then I will twist that big section away and move on to the back of the hair. And again, repeat that same process. As I was stretching my hair, if I ever felt like my hair was getting like too hot or the blow dryer was getting too hot, I would switch the setting to cool and let it blow dry a bit and then go back to warm. I never put it on hot because again, we're not trying to fry our hair up. We're just blow drying it to get it, stretched. And then once I feel like it's stretched enough, what we're going to do is actually blow dry the full hair, that side of my hair, and stretch the roots as much as possible as we can. And then, yeah, I'm going to do the other side off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what my hair looks like fully blow dried. So this is my hair fully blow dried. I am loving it. Like, y'all, look how full the hair is looking. No, you love to see it. This was very quick and easy. I did it all under 40 minutes, and my hair is feeling moisturized but also not weighed down by the products and whatnot. But yeah, this is it. And it got movement. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified the next time I upload. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.